Gray here. This is my sheet metal brake that I made some time ago. I'll link the video to it in the description or at the end screen. I modified it so that it would make rounded bends because I don't have a pipe anvil. So instead I made a pipe brake. So this is just a piece of 1-inch pipe and some hardware store brackets. And I simply removed the upper jaw, which is this big monster piece of angle iron, and fabricated this tubular upper jaw. It bent this with no problem. This is 16 inches long, 18 gauge. I'm sure it would do 16. I'll show you how I did it. Here's my brake with the upper leaf taken off. You've seen me use it in lots of other videos, including a video where I made it. So now I'm going to take a piece of 1-inch pipe and some of these hardware store brackets, which are 3/16 wall, so pretty hardy, and weld them on in 5 spots where my hold down bolts are. And we'll start with that. So I'll knock some powder coat off of these things before I start welding. Just using a face-off disc. At the ends, in order to use the existing holes, the bracket hits the depth stop. So I'm going to trim these back a little bit for the 2 end pieces. I'm just going to bolt the brackets to the captive nuts. With everything finger tighted, I can just get to 90, but without any material allowance. So there's a piece of 14 gauge. So I need to ovate the holes, these mounting holes, a little bit to allow this bracket to move backwards just a smidgy. That's better. Now I have some adjustment. All right, I'll finish getting these clamped in. Now to make the depth stop work, got these little pieces of scrap, 1/4 inch. I will just weld them on the end brackets like that to pick up the depth adjustment bolts. Time for a little trial. It's just a scrap of 18 gauge. So let's adjust the stop. Clamp it down. Give her a bend. Looking down the proverbial barrel here, now I'm gonna just cut some little leaf gussets out of this 1/8 inch pieces of scrap for all 5 locations. Real simple. We're going to goes something like that. Just a simple little leaf gusset. I was going to trim these off, but this kind of has a scrap bin aesthetic to it that I kind of like. So I'm just going to finish weld this now, and I'll be back at you when that's done. And there's everything installed. I ground the welds a little bit, nothing too great, and just threw a coat of spare spray paint on it just to make it look a little better. Now let's put her to the test. So this is a chunk of 18 gauge, similar to something I'm going to be using on the project for which I built this. So let's chuck it up and see how it works. A little hard to see the angle because the ends aren't square, but that looks righteous. Smooth. Looks nice. Well, I'm very happy with the outcome. So I'm going to call this one a success. And it's on to the next project. I'll see you there and then.